Privacy. In Bitcoin, the funds are not stored in some bank or place. Rather, it is attached only to Bitcoin address. Therefore, owners are not explicitly shown. However, transaction record of blockchain is public, so anyone can look into it. However, transactions have multiple inputs which can show if they have a single owner or not. You can also search owner's public Bitcoin address online and check his transactions with ease. However, you can use a public Bitcoin you can change the public Bitcoin address each and every time. So a person looking for your public Bitcoin address will only find one transaction for that public address, and all those millionaires who are investing money to secure it are using different public Bitcoin address because they know even if the government or some person can get hold of the public Bitcoin address, he can only access one transaction, so you can change it often. However, this technique I would recommend only to high net worth client. For an individual like you and me, we can have one public Bitcoin address and use it. We're not buying millions of dollars of Bitcoin, right? As per government regulation, Bitcoin exchanges are required to collect personal information. To increase privacy, you can use a new Bitcoin address for each and every transaction. Therefore, it will be extremely hard to pinpoint them to you. And it is safe to say, today we have the best privacy measures in contrast to cash and other valuables. And that's why Bitcoin is known as the number one digital currency with privacy features, because no one can pinpoint it to you. If you use a hardware wallet or a paper wallet, then it becomes extremely hard, because how will anyone know if you sold it or you lost the Bitcoin address? Thank you.